Chime SpotMe and Varo Advance both provide access to extra funds for eligible customers, but your real limit is based on your account history and eligibility, rather than the highest amount either service advertises. By the end, you'll know how SpotMe and Varo Advance work, what determines your available limit, and which option is more likely to fit your banking habits. The first thing to understand is that these are different products. Chime SpotMe is an overdraft feature that lets eligible customers overdraw their account up to an approved limit without standard overdraft fees. Varo Advance is a cash advance product available to eligible Varo Bank customers who meet the program's requirements. Because they work differently, comparing only the maximum limit does not tell the whole story. The amount available to you depends on your individual account. With SpotMe, Chime reviews your eligibility and assigns a limit based on its own criteria. That limit can change over time as your account activity changes. Varo Advance also determines eligibility using its own requirements. If you qualify, the amount you can borrow depends on your account and program rules rather than a single number that applies to everyone. If you're trying to decide which offers the higher real limit, start by asking a different question. Which one are you more likely to qualify for? A larger advertised limit has no value if you don't meet the eligibility requirements. You should also compare how each product fits your financial routine. SpotMe is designed to help cover overdrafts during everyday spending. Varo Advance is intended for customers who qualify for an advance that is repaid according to the program's terms. Before using either service, check the eligibility requirements inside your banking app. Make sure your direct deposits, account information and verification details are current. That gives you the best chance of qualifying for the highest limit available to your account. The bottom line is straightforward. Neither Chime SpotMe nor Varo Advance guarantees the same limit for every customer. Your actual limit depends on eligibility, account history, and each provider's review process. Your next step is to log into your Chime or Varo account and check the limit currently available to you, instead of relying on advertised maximums. If this comparison helped you understand the difference, like the video and subscribe for more practical banking and app comparisons.